Open and close, hey. Open and close, hey. Open and close, hey. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. This has been so much fun to play with, to use, to work on, all that stuff. I actually even sold my iPad Pro. It was collecting dust. There's no point in having the iPad having this, in my opinion, the way I use things. Point of this video, because I can ramble and rant and all that stuff, is customization for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. I went with the black sides and obviously the black front. I couldn't pull off that mystic bronze, pinkish, whatever that is. It's not my style. And it's been a little while since I went with just a nice black phone. My Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G, it was the Aura Glow, so it was every color at once. And that was actually kind of cool. But now I just needed to go back to the black. And I do have a black case. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, just leather case. Got it from Verizon. It's a half case though. So when you open it up like this is exposed, this is covered. I mainly like this because I'm always setting it down on the back, and this is also somewhat protecting the the camera right here. So that's nice. I do like that. And this is already a thick phone, so there's no way around it. It's basically two phones smashed into one with a nice folding crease. So the multimedia experience with this, top notch. The ability to do work on this, like, geez, Excel spreadsheets, Word documents, emails, it's in its own class. But this is not a review video. This is a customization video. So what we're going to be doing here is taking this off, and we have some dbrand skins. So no, this is not sponsored by dbrand, even though dbrand, hey, let's talk about some sponsorships here. On my TikTok account, and please follow me on TikTok. I have a great community, a Tech Talk account, community over there. Basically, I asked my fellow Tech Talkers which dbrand skin they like more. And so if you're not on TikTok, you're missing out, lots of fun. No dancing though, supposedly. Overall, the vast majority, I think it was like 70+%, said I should go with the wood. And they must know me because this is the one I like more. I chose the red as well because it was just kind of flashy. Sometimes you just need that sports car red, and it matched the interior to my sports car. So, but we're going to be placing the wood on here, and I think that's going to be more stylish. This is going to be kind of nice. So it's going to be the wood with I think I might use this. I don't know. We'll see. I do have this. Maybe we'll use this. Wood for the camera, wood for the back. Yeah, let's go to town. So obviously the very first thing we want to do is to wipe this down. You can use probably some rubbing alcohol as well. It's very similar to just your average, screen protector type of cleaning. But you don't have to go too crazy with this because this is kind of sticky material, so it's not going to really like bubble up or anything like that. I have applied dbrand skins in the past on other phones with great success. It's not too hard. You just have to make sure that you are cleaning everything and you have the right tools. Yes, there is one particular tool that you do need. We're going to go through that. So what you do now at this point is, this is a little sharp. It's like a sticker that you can kind of feel the edge. So you're supposed to use this cloth-ish thing and continuously go over it until it kind of like really smooths it out. So you're heating it up almost like with your finger, because I can feel it heating up, but it's kind of like wearing it down a little bit so it smooths it out. So it truly does kind of become a skin for it rather than just like a sticker that's on there. A little over here. And you can kind of feel when it catches your skin where you need to do a little bit more of this. And that's it. Alright, well, that's honestly it. Dbrand skins are very easy to apply. It's just as simple as putting on a sticker, honestly. Yeah, you might need a blowtorch, a hair dryer will work perfectly fine. I wasn't gonna grab my wife's hair dryer, something like this. It's a bit more manly, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's on light though, you know, it's just like warm air, not hot air, just like really warm air. Enough just to make this a bit more moldable, and at that point then you're just using this just to kind of really get the edges more smooth, and that also is heating it up as well. So there's, as long as you're doing it appropriately, there's no chance at all for that hot air to get onto this very soft ultra thin glass that's foldable here. But I will say that this feels really nice. I was getting a bit concerned with possibly dropping this phone without having a case on it, because it can be kind of smooth and slippery. This is giving me a little bit more grip. Obviously each skin will give you different grips, like this texture is very different from this one, but this is kind of my style. I like this. Nice little wood finish. Elegance. Stargate elegance. There we go. Stargate elegance. That's what we're going for this skin. So thank you very much, everybody. If you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button and the like button, all that good stuff. And overall, I'll see you in the next one. More content on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 on the way. Peace.